tell us what you're making today.
Cooking class, we're going to be making pita chips. The first ones we're going to make are going to have garlic and salt, and then we're going to make the sweet versions. So who's here with us today? Chris is helping today. Karen and Mary. Mary too. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, you're going to come out great.
All right, I'm gonna put a little bit. A little bit, Trish. On all of them.
We're going to enjoy these too. Like Alec is sniffing around.